Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, and guess what? It is the very first time I have ever unboxed a handbag from this particular company. And the company is Chloe. I guess I should say brand, not company. But this brand is new to me. I've heard nothing but wonderful things about it. I got it from Rue-la-la, which is the same thing as Gilt. They still have two separate websites, which I don't understand, but take advantage of both, sign up with both. You can often get a better deal on one versus the other, just in terms of being able to get free shipping on one, but not the other. If you're signed up on both, sometimes they'll give you like free money, like $10, $25. And if you're signed up on both, you get it in both places. But just know it's essentially, they have the exact same merchandise. And that's where I got all of my wolf jewelry system from, either Rue-la-la or Gilt, depending on which one did me the best that day. But this is a handbag, and I just wanted to show you. It comes incredibly well wrapped. I think I dislodged that bubble wrap, but it was wrapped all the way around so it wouldn't move. It comes in the box that I think is from the brand. I think that this is saying that it is a Chloe bag, and it says it is the small saddle bag, and it says the color, but I figure I'll just go ahead and pull it out and let the color be a surprise just for a minute. You can see it comes in a dust bag with a little bit of cushion right here on the end. All extremely well done. I think that they opened it up to attach a red tag so that if the tag's removed, then you can't return it, sort of thing. But you can see here, it's got that red security tag because no one's ever going to wear it with that thing attached, right? So let's go ahead and pull it out. So this is the Mini Marcie saddlebag. No, it's not. It's the Small Marcie saddlebag, but it is sort of like a mini. I think it's about 7 inches across. For bleeps and giggles, let's just go ahead and measure it across. I think you can fit a decent amount in this particular bag because of the depth, which is, I believe, around 3 inches. It is 3.5 inches across. And look how cool the strap is attached. It is not detachable, which kind of makes me a little sad, but it is adjustable, and it does have the leather keeper, which I really like when bags have that keeper, because then you don't have the extra bit of the strap flying out in your way. So let's go ahead and take some of the wrapping off of this beauty and check it out. Rue-la-la told me that sometimes that the bags that you get from them come with dust bags and all that, the accoutrements, and this one did. It came even with a little booklet from Chloe. I don't know what's inside this booklet. I assume that it's care instructions. It could also be some sort of an authenticity card, and yes, it looks like that might be a possibility. It says carte d'authenticity. So once again, kind of like the other bag that I got from Rue-la-la, it gives you an authenticity card, but they don't fill it out. So, you know, I kind of wish that you had that, but I think you have to go to a retail store to get that. And then you also get another booklet that talks about how to take care of the bag, or maybe even gives you more information, but we don't have time to read all that. So I have the bag unwrapped, and the way that this bag fastens closed is it has basically a little D-ring right here, and the front portion runs through the D-ring all the time. The back portion doesn't. So if you want to close it, you put both of them through. And if you don't mind the flap not being secure, you can just let one of them through and have the flap just hang like that. Let me go ahead and take the wrapping off of the strap. I really like how they packaged this up because, well, I say that they totally twisted the strap, but that's okay. They may have done that on purpose just so that everything laid correctly. So I like it better when they don't go ahead and fasten the strap, because you end up with that dent. But for me, being 5'8" tall, most of the time having it on that middle setting is about right. You can see here that Chloe does not provide an additional piece for this to run through. So really this leather keeper bit is absolutely essential. And so I'm able to run it through like that. And here is this cute little bag on me on the middle setting. I think I'll leave it there, honestly. It's a good spot. And this bag, I think it's super cute. Now, I've seen some of them that get very relaxed on the side where this totally collapses, but this is very firm across the base. And if it ever did get so where it was sort of saggy, I guess I might go ahead and put some sort of an organizer in it. Right now it has a textile lining that is jacquard in appearance to me, like woven, a lot like the Tory Burch lining. I like that you can open it up big and wide, and if you look here, much like my Passy, you have this joint where you could potentially have cracking just where the flap bends back, but I do think that that happens much less often with a leather bag than with a canvas bag. Maybe because the leather is just a little bit more malleable. This leather smells really good. I can smell it. I like the way it smells. It has a very subtle gold tone brushed hardware, and then also some hardware down on the ends. But other than that, and then this bit right here, there's just no hardware. My biggest complaint just looking at this is why did they not put a little bar across here so that the strap was secured in two places? But other than that, I really think this is cute. It'll be interesting to see if all my stuff will fit inside, and I don't have time to figure that out right now. I've got to get a kid to the dental office, but maybe I'll bring it with me in the car and just check it out while I'm waiting for him, because I think everything I have in my Speedy bandolier is probably going to fit in this bag, believe it or not. I might have to eliminate, I don't know, there's not much in this bag. I think I can probably squeeze it all in. My biggest question would be whether this pouch would fit in the bottom. So let's just give that a try. We'll put it in at an angle. So of course that pouch is flexible and it sort of folds. It does fit, but it really pushes on each end of the bag. I'm not really seeing like a huge bulge on the side where it is, but just know that it is putting pressure on the ends. But based on how that fits, I really think I'm going to be able to fit most everything in there, which is awesome. I mean, heck, while I'm here, why not? So I've got two card holders, which are these two. I'm going to put those in there. And then I've got a medicine pouch, which are just stuffed full of Aleve and all kinds of stuff because I need it. I've got kids that are hurt and I've got a headache. So I've got an AirPods case and my key fob still going strong. Got all that in there. And then other than that, I have a second AirPods case. Yes, I'm still carrying both around. Your guess is as good as mine why I do that. I don't know. Then I have just a little bit of like gift cards and papers and stuff. Those totally fit in the front. I'm like big money lady right now. I never have cash, but I do right now. And then it's got this little pocket that you could put credit cards in, but I would slip my cash in there. So it's not organized the best. It's a little jumbled, but I think I could reposition things just a little bit. And I can tell you right now, I do like to put that in there. If you're in a pinch and trying to get out of the way, then yes, that would be a nice feature. Oh, there's one more thing. I have my Chanel hand cream. Let's see if I could fit that in there. And then if that fits, every single item I had in my Speedy B will fit in this bag. The moment of truth. I think it's gonna fit. I don't have my phone in there, obviously. Well, maybe not obvious to you because I'm filming on my phone. And there is no back pocket. But everything else that I had in my Speedy B is in there. And if you wanted to put your phone in there, you could eliminate a little bit of that. But honestly, I carry my phone with me almost all the time. So I'm okay that it doesn't fit. And I am loving this bag. This is super cute. And one more test. Hold on. So there are my team colors, this red and blue. And you can see that the blue on this bag is different than the blue there. It's not as bright, but I think it's close enough that it works. I don't really want to show you the whole name of the team or anything like that, but I think it's close enough it works. And even if it doesn't work and I only carry this bag with other outfits, it's a beautiful shade of blue. I mean, I think it's probably the prettiest out of all the colors I looked at. Rue-la-la and Gilt have tons of different color options in this size, so I will link them down below. But oh my goodness, this is awesome. And it's a designer bag that is normally, I think, $13.50, and they have a whole slew of them for under $900, so they're on sale. You can't beat that. If you like this content, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. Is the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.